Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start on the Pi with a current system. Make sure you ran apt update and apt upgrade. Once updated, install libpem Google Authenticator and immediately run Google Authenticator as the account you secure. When prompted, scan the QR code with an Authenticator app or copy the secret key. Save the emergency scratch codes somewhere safe. Do this now so the secret is tied to the user account. Without that secret, nothing else will work. Next, you enable SSH to accept two-factor prompts by editing /etc//ssh/sshd-config, set challenge response authentication yes, and ensure use PAM yes. Then open /etc//PAM, d/SSHD, and add the line importing PAM Google Authenticator. So PAM asks for the code. If you want stronger controls, change authentication methods to require public. Finally, restart SSH and immediately open a fresh connection to test. You should be asked for your key and then a numeric OTP. Make sure you've backed up the emergency scratch codes and that the Pi's clock is accurate. OTPs fail with large time drift, so enable NTP or timedictal. If something goes wrong and you can't log in remotely, use the Pi's local console or boot into single-user mode to undo PAM or SSHD config edits. This is the primary recovery step if you lock yourself out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.